Hey, I am Haspa with WTI, and I can never go without vitamin C in my skincare routine. And that's why today I wanted to share one of my favorite products to use on my daily routine. This is the vitamin C powder suspension, 23%, HA spheres 2%, and this one is the 30 ml one. And this is a vitamin C serum that I love, and I use every morning and every night before I go to bed. I think it's really effective, especially because it evens out my skin tone, which is something that I have been struggling with lately. And I've been trying to take care of my skin more and fight hyperpigmentation. I have seen that it's brightened my skin tone and it's helped me a lot with my blemishes. And so the consistency is not too runny but not too thick either. So whenever I apply it, it feels like tiny grains being rubbed on my face, really gentle. So I wouldn't say it's a scrub at all, but yeah, it has some little grains in it. And also, this vitamin C serum is actually really active and stable. I really feel like it tingles a little bit when I apply it, and that's completely normal. So, if you guys are trying to incorporate a new vitamin C serum to your skincare routine, something that actually brightens your skin and makes your skin tone more even, just like it has done for me, I recommend this one. I have used it for a while and it's really worked. And yeah, that's my point of view.